Hi all, I welcome you to this channel, and if you are the first time here, make sure you subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video we are discussing some of the technology updates. So the first update, Nokia T20 tablet price specifications tipped ahead of launch. So Nokia T20 tablet has been listed on a retailer website in the UK. So Nokia T20 could be the third tablet from the brand after Nokia N1 and Nokia Lumia 2520 tablets. So Nokia T20 tablet could start at GBP 185, roughly rupees 19,100. So the tab listed with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. So Nokia T20 tablet price and specifications have leaked ahead of its launch, and it is set to debut as the first tablet from the brand since 2014 and also the first from its licensee HMD Global. So the Nokia T20 has been listed on a UK retailer website and is expected to come in Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi plus 4G variants. The retailer listing shows the UK prices of the upcoming tablet and its key specifications. So the Nokia T20 is listed on the UK retailer website, and more computers in Wi-Fi only and Wi-Fi plus 4G connectivity variants. The Wi-Fi only variant of the tablet is listed to cost GBP 185, roughly rupees 1900, while the Wi-Fi plus 4G variant is set to cost GBP 202, roughly rupees 2900 in the UK. So the Nokia T20 specifications expected. So the upcoming Nokia tablet is listed to spot a 10.36-inch touchscreen display, and it is also expected to come with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of onboard storage. And the listing on the retailer website also suggests that the tablet will be offered in a blue color option. So this was a discussion on Nokia T20 tablet price and specifications tipped ahead of launch. Then Huawei P50 Pro and Huawei P50 with 50 megapixel main cameras and 4G connectivity launched. So Huawei P50 Pro and Huawei P50 with 50 megapixel main cameras and 4G connectivity launched. Google Play Store safety section and privacy labels showcased in new developer post. Facebook to launch Ray-Ban AR smart glasses next. So Facebook to launch Ray-Ban AR smart glasses next. Then iQOO8 series specifications leaked could get a 2K AMOLED display with 120 Hz variable refresh rate. Apple sees highest second quarter revenue share. Xiaomi becomes second largest brand globally. Counterpoint. Google Play Store and then Robinhood gateway to ME stocks rises 2.1 billion in IPO. Then Panasonic writes a demand for home appliances and car batteries to post a 27-time surge in Q1 profits. Then Nokia T20 tablet price and specifications have leaked. Samsung Galaxy A52s price leaked and specifications tipped via Geekbench. Fast and Furious 9 India release date delayed by 2 weeks. Apple iPad Pro 2021 11-inch review, untapped potential. Oppo Watch 2 smartwatch with Snapdragon Wear 4100 SoC debates. Sony announces 5 goodwill discount on PS5 consoles and says 10 million sold. Nothing Ear 1 True wireless earphones launched in India. Oppo Reno 6 4G with a Snapdragon 720G SoC and quad rear cameras launched. Airtel revises its affordable recharge plans and discontinues ₹49 option. Nothing Ear 1 True wireless earphones. Then Black Widow out in August on Disney Plus Hotstar in English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Kannada. So Black Widow out in August on Disney Plus Hotstar in English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Kannada. Xiaomi leads India smartphone shipments in Q2 2021 and Redmi leads 5G segment. Then VR headsets could help deliver more accurate verdicts and Bang & Olufsen ViewPlay EQ TWS earbuds with ANC IP54 build and 7.5 hours playtime launched. So these are some of the technology updates, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.